In the heart of the turbulent 1960s, a powerful voice echoed across the plains, a call for justice and equality that would shake the foundations of American society. This voice belonged to the American Indian Movement, AIM, a groundbreaking organization that would come to embody the struggle for the rights of Native Americans. Born from the ashes of government neglect and systemic discrimination, the American Indian Movement emerged in Minnesota in 1968. Founded by Dennis Banks, Clyde Bellecourt, and others, AIM sought to address the dire conditions faced by Native Americans living on reservations, particularly the poor housing, unemployment, and inadequate health care. The movement's birth was marked by a series of events that highlighted the desperate plight of Native Americans. In 1964, the death of a 15-year-old Native American boy, Denny Three Bears, from a preventable infection sparked outrage. The boy's death, along with the alarming living conditions on the Pine Ridge Reservation, fueled the fire of dissent that would soon ignite the American Indian Movement. In June 1968, the murder of a revered spiritual leader, Hank Adams, further galvanized the movement. Adams, a respected elder and civil rights activist, was shot by a local police officer during a confrontation. This tragic event served as a catalyst for the growing discontent among Native Americans, pushing them to demand justice and accountability. In response to the escalating crisis, the American Indian Movement organized a series of protests and demonstrations. One of the most significant was the 1970 Trail of Broken Treaties Caravan, where over 1,000 Native Americans marched on Washington, D.C., presenting a list of demands to the Bureau of Indian Affairs, BIA. The caravan ended in a standoff, with protesters occupying the BIA headquarters for several days. The consequences of the American Indian Movement's actions were far-reaching. The movement brought attention to the struggles of Native Americans and pushed the government to address long-neglected issues. While the movement faced criticism and violence, it also inspired a new generation of activists and paved the way for further progress. In the years that followed, the American Indian Movement continued to fight for the rights of Native Americans, taking part in the Wounded Knee occupation in 1973 and advocating for the passage of the Indian Self-Determination and Education Assistance Act in 1975. Though the struggles of Native Americans are far from over, the American Indian Movement's legacy remains a powerful testament to the resilience and determination of a people who refuse to be silenced. The American Indian Movement story is a tale of courage, resilience, and the unwavering pursuit of justice. It serves as a reminder of the power of grassroots activism and the importance of standing up for what is right, even in the face of adversity. The movement's legacy continues to inspire, reminding us all that change is possible when people come together in the name of justice and equality.